Riri uhuthiri wa mitambo ya KIRIU ta nenda itiganite ithiete na mbere na gutherema makiria noguo ciana nyingi itigitwo ugwati-ini wa maundu matiganite aciari makiurio gukorwo mari maitho hari ureri wa ciana kuona gitaru kia Afrika gititigitwo na thutha hari ukuria wa KIRIU. Uhuthiri wa internet ni undu ukoretwo giteithiriria andu aingi na makiria mbeu njithi gwika maundu matiganite na mundu akahota gwikira kindu muhuko na ciana cia thukuru ititigitwo na thutha hari kuhuthira internet mathomo-ini mao na ihinda-ini riri mathomo-ini ma CBC. Na bururi wa Kenya ugikungwira muthi wa mwana wa gitaru kia Afrika umuthi hari na mianya iria irabatara guthingwo niguo kugitira ciana hari mogwati matiganite ureri-ini wa ihinda riri. Mutarani Margaret akiuga aciari ni mabati kurumirira maundu maria ciana ireka ikihuthira mitambo na makiria kugia na mahinda ma kwaria nao.
The parents and the teachers, we also need to know what is happening in that space. So as a parent, I need to understand and get a bit of skills also, be a little tech savvy in what's happening in the social media space. What kind of content is going on there? What kind of interactions? What are the risks there?
Jacinta Aguja uria ni muciari kuma Mathare akiuga ihinda-ini riri ciana nyingi iri na ugi wa maundu matiganite no aciari ao matiui. Akiongerera ati kuri na amwe a aciari mahete ciana ciao wiyathi ukirite mihaka.
Unapata mtoto anafanya kitu yenye hata wewe mwenyewe huwezi fikiria, maybe unadhani yeye ni mdogo but maybe ako so much exposed yenye wazazi wajui. Unajua especially kwa informal settlement kuko na women headed families na most of them wanashindanga job.
Amwe a arutwo aria marejera kumana na mahetia mekire onao ni megukuruhanitio hindi ya igongona riri rikuhaririirio ni gikundi kia wakilisha kuona muoroto wa ukungwiri wa umuthi mwaka uyu no uhutitie ihoto cia ciana ona riria maunite watho.
One of the things that have been
Elizabeth Jabi mwambiririo wa gikundi kia wakilisha ni oritie muingi kunyitanira hari ureri wa ciana kuona ona ihoto nyingi cia ciana ciunagwo na aingi magekora mogwati-ini kuona hatiri na mundu uramagitira.
You don't need the parent to be the one that's bringing the case, the matter to the police. It could be anyone, as a neighbor, as a collective. So that calls on us as a community. We must protect our children in the new age, the new digital age.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.
I guess the question I have for you is,